Hey all, just like all activities you have ever watched on Alka Space, these icy activities are also easy to put together. As I always say, great toddler activities do not need to be super fancy. Sometimes they just need ice and some props that are easily available and toddlers handle the rest. Let's begin. Grab an ice tray and some pom-poms. Pom-poms are great for sensitive play. Put pom-poms into each section of ice tray and then fill them with water. Place them in the freezer overnight in order to ensure that they freeze completely. Once they are frozen, pop them out and add an inch or two of cold water. We started with simple scooping with the help of spoons and ladles. At times it proved to be a bit tricky as it became slippery because they started melting. Gorisha found it much easier to use hands instead. Gurvisha found these pom-pom ice cubes perfect for color recognition. As the ice melted into the water, Gorisha smooshed out the pom-poms with her hands, squeezed and pushed out extra water and lined them up outside the bowl. And if your child loves dinosaurs like mine do, this dino dig activity will be a big hit. All you need is water and toy dinosaurs. I froze the dinosaurs in water. I just added a dash of blue color, that is food color, and put dinosaurs in water. Put in the freezer for a night to use it next morning. It is easy to set up and will have your child melting ice with salt and water to free toy dinosaurs from the ice block. The salt on the block felt like snow and kids loved to touch it. Science, water play, and fine motor development are all wrapped up in one in this fun ice activity. Both of them were so excited that watching the ice melt and finally freeing the dinosaurs was like an achievement to dance upon. Next one is so pretty and easy to make. Arrange the flowers in small containers or ice tray. Add water. And keep them in freezer overnight. Place the frozen flowers in a plastic dinner tray for melting. Kids recognize different parts and colors of flowers and other parts attached to them. Plus a sense of touch works here. This is one simple, super simple fine motor skill workout. Picking up the ice cubes with the help of tongue and transferring them to an empty bowl. But before these ice cubes started melting, Garisha and Gurvisha picked up watercolors and brushes and started giving hues to the ice cubes. And we have also done this activity again with an ice box. So all you saw in this video was a blend of sensory activity, art and fine motor skills. Subscribe and stay connected for more. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.